Enogie, I will remind you of how and what you did a while ago. I think it was inside this year or ending last year. What you did. This life, what if you can't take the heat, don't go to the kitchen. What you cannot take, don't give it to others. Please. Because you might test it and you will see how it will look like. It's not funny. No, don't say that. That between Enogie and Perry, you don't know what really happened. Don't say that. What happened is already in the air. It's out. When I followed the issue at the beginning, Enogie used his mouth to say it that Perry went and called Vera, that he did not send her. And after she finished, she reached out to him. Enogie explained it. What annoyed Enogie was Perry insulted him and said, the cause whether they cause, they go use their head to take career. That was what annoyed Enogie. He said it with his mouth. He said he didn't like it. Some fans who know how to clap hands for you. Enogie posted that thing out and said, look what she did. Is it right or not? He's fan.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Lolo the golden fish, they talk for this Enogie and Perry matter. Mona say listen for what she they talk, say na karma na they visit Enogie now for what if I do a pa before. Mona listen before I go analyze my own.
If I do like you did not see it, Enogie did not find anybody to give him that sincere advice. Or should we say Enogie did not listen? I don't know. But as much as Enogie, you are claiming now that you have enough people, you know enough people, you are wise, you are this, you are supposed to have one person who could have pulled you back with that comment that you posted outside for those fans of yours to be writing, he do bad, he do good, he do bad. You should have removed it. You should have removed it. What Perry did, I will come to what is happening now. But how it all started, Enogie, it's exactly what you did to your godfather, Epa. Epa was having issue with somebody. What did you do? You went and be forming good face. You went and be forming good man. When you know Epa was still hurting from what they did to him.
Okay.
You were supposed to be begging Epa, my father, I beg, you need to let go. Not for you to come out and come and be forming good face. You came out and be forming good face under your godfather. The next thing they gave you, ambassador of peace. And you went out of line. Fans were angry. That was how you lose it. Area cast. I watched Epa personally on live video when he was saying to his wife, leave him, he's still my son. Everybody was calling. Epa, I know they insult you. Epa still insists that you are his son, that you don't know what you're doing. It's okay.
It's the same thing, yeah.
You understand? It is very bad what you did then. And that was how the issue between you and your godfather escalated. Escalated beyond human imagination. Today now, your own goddaughter, not even a friend, has done the same thing to you. And you could not find anybody to advise you to avoid it. Tomorrow you want to tell me you have fans? Tomorrow you want to tell me you have lovers? Tomorrow you want to tell me you have people who care about you and your little children? Enogie, how far are you willing to go? When that woman was pregnant, you put her through hell, hellfire. She passed through the needle's eye to make it. Now she has given birth. Enogie, how far are you willing to go? What is the secret behind what you are doing? Is there anything? Because I cannot imagine a man who claims he loves his family will put them in harm's way this way. You could not find any responsible woman who could talk to you and tell you what Perry did. She was trying to find peace. She was trying to calm you down. A little girl at that. And she can't call me. How's your day? You say make a fire down. She said, beat them if you want beat them. May you rest. If you want beat them, beat them. Oh yeah, beat Vera. May you rest. Is that not what she said? She went behind you. She went and talked to those people. She came out for your sake. She insulted those people. What else? How do you want somebody to support somebody? For that little comment that you post, you could not overlook. Enogie, your children are still too little. Nobody can touch them. No juju can kill them, but it only hurts in the ear. No juju can kill children that they did not bring to this world. No juju, no human being can kill anybody. But the only thing is that it's painful in the ear.
Yeah.
It's not nice.
It's painful.
If you did not carry a
That's
little baby
where that
and
is
them
hot.
alive, they can never die. They can never die. If you don't cut their neck, they can never die. Little children cannot die. Put them inside water. They will
because God, they guide them.
Have you seen it? A newborn baby. Put them inside a bowl of water. You will see how they will swim. They know they die. Except you press them without no movement inside the water. That's when they die. They know they die. Because they swim in their mother's womb inside water for 9 months. They cannot die. So nobody that did not create a child can kill a child. You can't kill a child. But it's very painful in the ear. Enogie, you didn't find anybody to beg you to that extent to let go. That's what escalated this trouble. You didn't find
Lolo, you are saying the truth, really.
Enogie, you use your mouth to say it. Perry, I beg you, may you tell me the truth. I ask you for the truth. The truth is very bitter. The truth is sour. The truth is not good. To see who will tell you the truth is very difficult. They are not common. You don't find people who tell the truth easily. You don't see them on the street. You don't see them on the street. They are rare species. They are not common. They are not common. Among all the people who call you when you're on live video, there was no one who could really spin leg on the ground and say, Enogie, I hold you. If you talk, Enogie, I hold you. Where are those your mamas? Enogie, because of you. Where are they? They couldn't.
My darling people, many of you will see this thing like say, Lolo one day bias. No. And really, me be not even still remember. Wetin still do it go father that time. Don't be lying. Lolo is really, really right for what she talking. The golden fish, she really, really right. Yeah. Enogie, think back. Think back and carry your children. Enter house. Saga not be for you. You rest for Saga. My brother. Think back. What did she really tell you, Perry? We go resolve to all those things. You forget how you take correct, how you take call a person you want settle in with Ivie. When you know the way Ivie they swear for his children. You know the way you feel beg for private. Remember, my brother, remember.